Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining how I integrate English First Additional Language writing skills into my life skills lesson. My chosen topic from the life skills caps is healthy living, specifically personal hygiene and healthy habits. The text type I'll be using is a descriptive paragraph. The goal of this lesson is for learners to describe what a healthy person looks like, acts like, and does daily to stay strong and happy. In the lesson, learners begin with a short warm-up where they look at pictures of children brushing their teeth, exercising, and eating fruits. Then we discuss what makes a person healthy. Learners brainstorm adjectives and sensory words like clean, strong, shiny, active, happy, energetic, and fresh. After this discussion, they write a descriptive paragraph titled A Healthy Me, where they describe themselves or another person who lives a healthy lifestyle. According to the life skills caps, learners must identify and describe daily habits that keep the body clean and healthy, understand how hygiene, nutrition, and exercise affect well-being. So, through writing, learners are showing their understanding of these outcomes, not just by listing facts, but by describing and visualizing what those habits look like in real life. The English First Additional Language writing outcome linked to this lesson is for learners to write a descriptive paragraph that uses adjectives and sensory details, is written in full sentences, has a clear topic, sentence, supporting details, and a conclusion. This writing supports language development because learners practice vocabulary about health while learning correct sentence structure and descriptive techniques. The descriptive paragraph is especially useful in life skills because it helps learners express personal understanding and emotional connection to the topic. Some of the features that make it effective are use of adjective and figurative language, like my hair smells like strawberries after I wash it. Present tense to describe real habits, I brush my teeth every morning. Logical structure, starting with a topic sentence, details, and ending with a positive conclusion. This helps learners connect health concepts with their everyday experiences. Learners go through the full writing process: planning, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing. Planning is to brainstorm words describing healthy habits and create a mind map. Drafting is to write the first version of the paragraph. Revising is to check for adjectives, spelling, and flow of ideas. Editing is for peer feedback. Learners exchange paragraphs and correct mistakes. Publishing is write or decorate a final copy of the classroom Healthy Me wall display. This process helps deepen their understanding of the content because they reflect on what healthy living truly means while refining their language. For the practical part, I use PIHA 2003's Write to Learn strategy. According to PIHA, writing should be used to explore and internalize content, not only to test it. So, I let learners keep a short Healthy Me journal for 1 week. Each day, they write a short descriptive entry. For example, today I ate an apple and felt full of energy. I washed my hands before lunch and my skin felt clean and fresh. This activity builds both life skills understanding and English First Additional Language writing fluency. It's low stakes, creative, and encourages learners to write meaningfully about their own lives. In conclusion, this integration allows learners to use language to think, feel, and learn, exactly as PIHA 2003 describes. By writing descriptive paragraphs about healthy living, they don't just practice English, they demonstrate the real understanding of life skills concepts in a creative and personal way. Thank you for listening.